problems which any business networking platform is trust and collaboration. Connect and belong to Thrive. RCC is actually Regional Capability Center, which is be a part of this. So you just attend that meeting, register and see what we have.
What is the future plan?
Chapters in Hyderabad.
Good luck, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Ansam.
Good evening, everyone. This is Shahbaz. Welcome to Business Growth Podcast. Today we have with us Ms. Ragni. Welcome, ma'am.
Hi everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you, Javas. I'm Ragini. I am co-founder of VNE.
So, ma'am, business networking platform. Why we need it?
So sales, and sales. Any business and business networking platform would actually, when we go over there, we seek some sales. We seek some meaningful connections. We seek some collaborations. So it is basically a success which we are seeking. So we try to address all the problems which any business networking platform may be facing. Any person as a business owner, when he goes over there, he is facing. We try to actually address all the challenges which were existing.
That's wonderful, ma'am. So, ma'am, what is the heart of BNE?
The essence and core of BNE is actually the true essence, the core is trust and collaboration. So, how do we call it? Give and grow. In our meetings, we say give and grow. So, basically, if I have to tell it in one line, say some message, if I want to give it to my members, then I will always say connect and belong to Thrive Alive. That is the core essence of BNE. We are ready. We are making a very robust system so that you can expedite your success, your sales. So give and grow is why? Because we have to start with giving first, and then automatically you will be gaining your own businesses. You will be grabbing a lot of opportunity if you also participate. See, we are having actually a B2B platform, which is platformrefer.com. So we are giving access to our members. Then we have B2C platform, that is sapatimes.com. Then we have RCC. RCC is actually Regional Capability Center, which is to help you in running your business wherever you are living. So there is a central team which will be helping you along. So for all these things, basically we need your support.
Oh, so ma'am, what is unique?
The unique thing here is basically we work on certain philosophies. We have started with a good intention. The intention where we believe every voice matters, irrespective of the ticket size. Everyone should get business. This is one idea. Another idea is actually no referral, no references, no transaction will be unnoticed. Because I strongly believe what is not measurable is miserable. So we are tracking all the leads, we are keeping all the records, and there is a trust, and there is a because there is a transparency. So these are the ideas we have built this upon.
Oh, that's nice. That's very nice, ma'am. So, have you seen that's real business part?
Yeah, on the day of installation, we call it, or we say when the BNE was launched in Hyderabad in the end of the November, we have seen a business of I think 3,48,000. So and now so far it's just 2 months. 2 months will be completing day after tomorrow, and this 2 months and we have a total business of 6,78,488. So we have real time business also, figures also, because everything is measured in track. So this is how we are going. So my suggestion to my members will be again that participate, and to others who are intending to be a part of this project, be a part of this business, be a part of this networking platform. So I would suggest them to just browse through bnexcellency.com, bnexcellency.com. You can find this on the screen. So bnexcellency.com, go there, see the nearest meeting, the nearest to your geographic location and nearest in the calendar also. So you just attend that meeting, register yourself, attend that meeting, join us, take the membership, and see what we have built for you.
That's great, ma'am. Now, ma'am, tell us a little more about what is the futures plan?
Future plan is sky is the limit. So BNE just not connect people basically. So it actually empowers the entrepreneurs. Indian entrepreneurs are empowered here. And so we have 3 chapters running now. 2 chapters in Hyderabad, one in High-Tech City, one in Secunderabad, and third chapter is in Vizag. So we have 3 chapters already up and running, and the next would be very soon. You will hear the launch of BNE Coimbatore, BNE Delhi, BNE Jaipur, Mumbai, and then in second phase Indore, Bhopal, and Kashi, Lucknow, so Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune.
Oh wow! Good luck, ma'am. आगाज इतना खूबसूरत है तो अंजाम कितना हसीन होगा.
थैंक यू सो मच. अंजाम की फिक्र नहीं है अभी. अगर रास्ते इतने दिलचस्प हो तो मंजिल की परवाह कैसे है. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.